Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today happens to be the very first time you are watching any of my videos, then I beseech you to subscribe to this channel. After you are done subscribing, don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that henceforth, anytime I upload a new content, you would get notified that Razak Ghana Technology has uploaded a new content. There are a lot of things I'll be teaching you. So, if you want to know much about technology or know how to do tricks as far as online is concerned, as well as making money online, then this channel is for you. Do well to subscribe and then hit on the notification bell. Meanwhile, in the meantime, I am going to teach you how to make $100 each and every month without any investment. Making money online has come to stay. However, some of the ways to make money require investment. Meanwhile, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make $100 online every month without any investment. Let me quickly take you through how to get things done. If you are using an Apple phone or an iPhone, all that you need to do is to go to App Store on your phone. Meanwhile, if you are using an Android phone, just like I am, then you need to go to Play Store on your phone. So let me quickly go to Play Store on my phone. Okay, now Play Store has opened. So all that I need to do is to go to the search and then search for Tendo GH. Tendo GH. Then search for it. This is the application. So all that I need to do is to click on install. And immediately I click on install, the application will download and then install. So in this video, we are going to use Tendo GH as an application or as a medium to make $100 each and every month without doing anything. Now the download has started, and all that we need to do is to wait until the download finishes. Now the download has finished, waiting for the installation to take its due course. We still need to wait until the installation finishes. Now the installation is done. So all that we need to do is to enable it and then open it. So let's open it. Finally, Tendo app has been successfully installed on my phone. So the first thing reads Tendo, end with Tendo with 3 easy steps. Okay, so all that we need to do at this juncture is to tap or select skip. Now a page has appeared, and what we need to do here is to sign in. However, we don't have any account yet, so all that we need to do is to sign up instead of signing in. After we've signed up, then the next time we can sign in instead of signing up. So these are required of me before I can create a Tendo, or I can create an account on Tendo. So my full name is required. So let's say Kweku Eji is my full name. I'm just fabricating my email. Let's say info.razakghananews@gmail.com. My phone number, let's say 246783212. Now my password, let's say razakghana.com. Let me sign up. User already exists. Okay, now let me change my email and see. Let's say info dot razakmedia@gmail.com. Yahweh J. Let me choose Yahweh J as the username and see. Okay, let me change the phone number to 205928372. Let me sign up then. User already exists again. Wow. Let's say razakghananews@gmail.com. Let's say Rasela Usu. Sign up. Why are they telling me user exists like that? Okay. Okay, now I've signed up and a verification code is being sent to my phone number. So I need to type the code. No code has come through. I need to wait small for the code to come. I still haven't gotten any code yet. Waiting for the code to come. Let me verify later. My date of birth, let's see, okay, 1992, 1st December 1992. Referral code. The referral code is optional. Then my gender, I'm a male, so continue. Okay, now let me skip. Okay, so I am finally here. This is the Tendo app. So there are a lot of categories here. We have the bags, we have the watch, we have the phone, we have the sneakers, and a whole lot of them. So let's take it for instance. We have Nike Air, and the price is 180. We have men's stripped casual shirt, that is 130 series. So let's see something here. Assuming, okay, let me choose the Nike. So let me select the Nike. Okay, so I've selected the Nike. So if I select the Nike, this is what I'm going to see. Okay, we have the name of the product being Nike Air 270, and it is without box. It is black and the size is 42. The price is 180 cedis. Description is the color is the color. We have black and white as well, and the size too, we have 38, 49, 38, 39, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. Okay, so now if you check below, you would see order. You would equally see share product. So let me share product instead of ordering. So share product. Now when I want to share the product, this is what I'm going to see. They are saying that add profits and share with friends and customers. So they've given you the opportunity to add your own profit to it. So the price of it is 180 cedis. So let me see. Let's do something. Okay, so the profit, you've added 49 cedis. Okay, you've added 180 cedis as profit. Okay, so let's say I'm not greedy, so let me add 100 cedis profit to it. Okay, 100 cedis profit. So now the item is 180 cedis. That's the price for the item, and then my profit is 100 cedis. So the total price is 280 cedis. Okay, so let me click on share product. Let me allow. Okay, now I have to share. So let me open WhatsApp, because if you want to share on any other social media platform apart from WhatsApp, there they are. However, in my case, I want to share on WhatsApp, so I've selected WhatsApp. Maybe in your case, you would like to share on Instagram, on Facebook, on Telegram, or any other social media platform. Whatever social media platform you want to share it on, you do select it. Okay, so now it's loading. So I need to wait until it finishes loading. Okay, so let me select somebody I want to share this with. Okay, so let me go through my chat. Okay, let me choose any at all. So this is it. I've selected business administration 2020-2021. Okay, now here is it. No, now you see the price of the Nike over there is 180, but here they've added my price to it, or my profit to it, making it 270. So let me share the product. So this is the product being shared. This is it being shared. So Nike Air 270 without so and so and so. So if somebody clicks on this link, it is sending the person to the platform. So if the person buys it, whoever wants to buy it is going to buy 270 cedis. And anytime somebody is to buy this, I'm going to get my 100 cedis as my profit. I've not done anything. I just, shared. I just performed a task, and I'm getting 100 cedis profit. You don't like this? What else do you want? So, like I said, do subscribe to this channel. After you are done subscribing, hit on the notification bell so that henceforth, anytime I upload a new content, you get notified that Razak Ghana Technology has uploaded a new content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.